Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MetaMask extension. First, navigate to the Chrome Web Store and search for MetaMask. Ensure you download the official extension to avoid scams. Once installed, you'll be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, this phrase is crucial for accessing your funds, so store it safely and offline. Once your wallet is set up, you'll see your main interface. Here, you can view your public Ethereum address, which is how others send you crypto. You can also see your token balances and initiate transactions to send funds. MetaMask acts as your gateway to Web3, allowing you to securely connect and interact with numerous decentralized applications directly from your browser.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, keep your physical space as clean as your digital one. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making home cleaning effortless. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
MetaMask allows you to manage a wide array of tokens. If a token isn't visible, you can easily add it using its contract address. The wallet also features a convenient swap function, letting you exchange one cryptocurrency for another directly within the extension. Be aware of gas fees, which are transaction costs on the network, as they impact how quickly your transactions are processed. Security is paramount when using MetaMask. Your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it. Always double-check website URLs to avoid phishing scams. Before approving any transaction, carefully review the details to ensure you understand what you are signing. Consider using a hardware wallet for enhanced security, especially for larger holdings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.